Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're counting down 15 Jamaican politicians who have disappeared from public life after long and impactful careers. Some were key figures in shaping the nation's policies, but they've since retired, taken lesser roles, or moved on from the political spotlight. Let's start the countdown. At number 15, we have Rudyard Spencer. In 1993, Spencer was appointed to the Senate of Jamaica. From 1995 to 1997, he was the leader of the opposition business in the Senate. From 2002 to 2020, he served as a member of parliament for Southeast Clarendon. Spencer was also the Minister of Health in Jamaica from 2007 to 2012. In 2016, he was appointed as Minister of Finance and the Public Service. Spencer directed the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions and was a member of the Caribbean Congress of Labor. In February 2020, he announced his retirement from electoral politics. Members of both the JLP and PNP paid tribute to Spencer for his years of service. Spencer was dedicated to improving Jamaica's healthcare system. Since his retirement, he has kept a low profile. He is now 80 years old. Coming in at number 14 is Derek Charles Smith, former Minister of National Security. Smith had a long, impactful career focused on improving national security. He was MP for St. Andrew Northwestern from 2007 to 2018 and MP for Kingston West Central between 1983 and 1989. He stepped away from public life after retiring in recent years. He is 81 years old. At number 13 is Burchell Whiteman, a member of the People's National Party. Whiteman served as a Member of Parliament, the Jamaican High Commissioner to the United Kingdom, Minister of Education, and Minister of Information. As a former Minister of Education, he made a lasting impact on Jamaica's education system. Since his retirement, Whiteman has largely stayed out of the public eye, but his reforms remain influential. He is 86 years old. At number 12 is Desmond Leake. At age 16, Trelawney native Desmond Leake became a member of the People's National Party, PNP. Not long after his entry into politics, Leake was elected as Constituency Secretary for North Trelawney. As a former Minister of Local Government and Urban Development, Leake played a key role in Jamaica's local governance. He has since retired and now stays out of the public spotlight, focusing on agriculture as one of the parish's top beekeepers. Leake says he is tremendously pleased with his apiaries, which have become his new passion after politics. KD Knight, number 11 on our list, is a prominent Jamaican attorney and politician, well known for his significant influence in Jamaica's political landscape. He is a member of the People's National Party and has served in various key government positions throughout his career. Knight has held several ministerial roles, including Minister of National Security and Justice, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, and Attorney General of Jamaica. He is known for his strong defense of the PNP. Although retired from politics, Knight occasionally appears as a commentator and still practices law. At number 10 is Mike Henry. Henry is the longest-serving Jamaican parliamentarian, with more than 30 unbroken years in the Jamaican Parliament. He is a former Minister of Transport and Works, known for his passion for infrastructure development. Henry has since stepped back from the political scene. He is 89 years old. Carl Samuda, number 9 on our list, is a businessman, farmer, and technocrat. Best known as a veteran politician, Samuda has had a long and illustrious career in Jamaican politics, serving in various ministerial roles. In 2023, he resigned from his role as Minister of Labor and Social Security. In recent years, Samuda has gradually withdrawn from public life. He is 82 years old. At number 8 is Peter Phillips, the former leader of the People's National Party and a former Minister of Finance. Phillips stepped away from politics after the 2020 general elections. He is 74 years old. Coming in at number 7 is Audley Shaw. Shaw is a Jamaican politician currently serving as Minister of Transport and Mining, a position he took in January 2022. Before that, he was Minister of Industry, Investment, and Commerce from September 2020 to January 2022. As Minister of Finance, Shaw helped steer Jamaica's economic policies for years. He is expected to retire from representational politics ahead of the next general election and has reduced his public appearances due to health issues. He is 72 years old. At number 6 is Ronald Dates, a Jamaican attorney and politician. Dates represented the PNP as MP for Kingston Central from 1989 to 2002 and again from 2007 to 2020. He served as Minister of Education from 2012 to 2016 and was a champion for educational reform. Since retiring, Dates has focused on media and religious activities. He is 79 years old. At number 5 is P.J. Patterson, Jamaica's longest-serving Prime Minister. Patterson retired from politics in 2006 and has since remained mostly in the background, taking on occasional diplomatic and advisory roles. He is 89 years old. At number 4 is Bruce Golding. Golding served as Prime Minister from 2007 to 2011. His tenure ended following the Christopher Dudas Koch extradition controversy, after which he largely withdrew from the political spotlight. He is 76 years old. Bobby Pickersgill, number 3 on our list, was a key figure in the PNP and served in various ministerial roles. Known for his environmental advocacy, Pickersgill retired from politics in recent years and has kept a low profile. He is 81 years old. At number 2 is Colonel Charles. A former Minister of Labor and Social Security and Speaker of the House of Representatives, Charles retired after decades of service in both the JLP and Jamaican Parliament. He is 88 years old. And finally, at number 1, we have Portia Simpson Miller, Jamaica's first female Prime Minister and a beloved leader. She retired in 2017 after years of service to Jamaica and has since largely disappeared from public life, though her legacy continues to inspire many. She is 78 years old. These politicians played critical roles in shaping Jamaica's political landscape. While they've stepped away from public life, their contributions remain a vital part of the nation's history. Which of these politicians do you remember the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.